how do we actually use AI without stepping in any of these ethical landmines? Let's break this down by specific use cases, keeping it practical and grounded in real-world scenarios that you may encounter in your practice. The first is content creation and research. Now, in this case, AI can be your best friend or your worst enemy, depending on how you handle it, because these tools can churn out draft briefs, research memos, and case summaries faster than you could ever imagine. But you've got to check the work like you're a quality control inspector. Let's say you're using AI to draft a motion for summary judgment. The AI spits out a beautiful 15-page brief, case citations, legal arguments, formatted professionally, looks great, sounds convincing, saves you 8 hours of work. But before you hit print and head to the courthouse, you've got to read every single word like it's a contract you're signing off on. Check every case citation. And that means not just checking that the case exists, but that it actually says what the AI claims it says. Verify that the legal principles are correctly stated and properly applied to your specific fact scenario. Make sure the arguments make sense in the context and for the tone that's appropriate for your jurisdiction and judge. I've heard about attorneys who let AI write a brief without reviewing, and they end up with briefs that sound technically correct, but are completely tone deaf for the actual case. For legal research, AI is incredibly powerful for the initial exploration and brainstorming. You can ask it to identify relevant legal theories, find similar cases, or explain complex legal concepts. But always verify the results using traditional legal databases like Westlaw or Lexis. Use AI research just as a starting point and not as an ending point. I'm sure some of you have heard of what's called a feedback sandwich. Well, there's a practical approach to using AI that I call the AI sandwich. And basically, it's just start with AI to generate ideas and find potential sources, but then follow that up with traditional research methods to verify and expand on those findings. And then follow that up with using AI again to help you organize and present your final analysis. This gives you the speed benefits of AI while maintaining the accuracy and reliability of traditional research methods.